everybody, it's Kate with Crate Insider, and this week I have some great products to highlight for you. Of course, so many of us have been under a pile of ice, especially here in North Carolina. Well, we didn't get it as bad as most other areas, so I hope you're able to dig yourself out of those snowbanks and the ice and be able to get out there. And you're probably just really getting ready to race right now, so I've got some great products to show you. Now, a product we've been carrying for a while is our Schaefer's 10W30. Now, this is designed as a racing oil, which means that it has extra zinc in it. And it's been a very popular product for many of our racers. And it can even be used when you've got a brand new engine and you're still like breaking it in and brand new. A lot of the synthetic oils you can't do that with because otherwise your rings will never seat in a brand new engine. So our Schaefer's 10W30, you know, that 30 weight, I know we've had a lot of questions about that over the years, and it is ideally suited for running in any of our crate engines, our 602s or our 604s. Definitely been a very good quality oil. I have a lot of happy customers with it, and it's a great thing for you guys to try out. Something else that you absolutely need before you go out onto the track is going to be a set of headers. And this is a product you do not want to wait until it's like a week before you're going to be your first race. That's not when you want to order headers. You want to order them now because otherwise that becomes a very tough time right around March. We all try to prepare, but generally get a rush on them. So the 602 headers from ProFab are some of our most popular, and I have two different styles. I have them both in a mild steel and I have them in stainless. Now they're exactly the same design, but if you want to save a few dollars, the mild steel is a great way to go to save a few dollars. These are meant for a dirt late model that are running a 602. So in any kind of a combination of whatever you're racing, I definitely recommend ordering your headers sooner rather than later. Now, a brand new product that's just come out in the last couple of months is our Blaze from Daytona 1. And I believe that this is going to be one of our breakout products of the year. And the reason why, now this is a fuel additive that you would put in with your fuel. One of these quarts, you could do a 55-gallon drum. And the reason why is because it's going to act as a lubricant, but also it's going to resist corrosion. So especially for any of my customers who are running alcohol, where you can run into that situation where you have white death. I mean, we all know that methanol especially is very corrosive, especially with a carburetor. And E85, a lot of you guys are running E85 now too, and this works really, really well with that, for having that extra lubrication that you need and the anti-corrosive piece of that as well. And some of my customers are also finding that they get a little more kick on the startup too. So, definitely a product for you to check out, Blaze by Daytona 1. Now here's an innovative product that I'm not sure if I've shot a video on before, but these are our steering rack boots from Hooker Harness. Now what's great about these, especially if you're going to be pulling your car apart this time of year and you've got your steering rack and you're doing some work on it, those plastic boots or that rubber boots, how they get all cracked, well instead these are made, you'll have to take it apart in order to put this on. We do sell them individually, so obviously you would need two of them if you're starting from scratch, but we do that in case anybody wants to just replace one of them. So these steering rack boots are a great way to protect the shaft on your steering rack and you don't have to worry about any of the cracking that you would have with the plasticky rubber stuff that's on there. So great product from Hooker Harness, and of course we've got them here at Crate Insider. Well, a super necessary product that you need for your race car to get out on the track, of course, is a steering wheel. And this is our most popular one. We've tried a few different ones over the years, and this has really emerged as the most popular. And this is our steering wheel from MPI. It's a 15-inch steering wheel. It's dished, so I know there's flat and there's dished. I really like that you can really see how your wheels line up with that, and it's got some great grip on it as well. So very popular, and if you're looking for a brand new steering wheel, this is a great way for you to go. Now, speaking of steering wheels, if you're looking to have a little bit extra grip on whatever kind of steering wheel you have, we have now this Ultra Grip Tape. So Crate Insider Ultra Grip Tape made by 3M, and it just has an adhesive back, so you're able to just wrap it around your steering wheel, provide an excellent grip for you to be able to make sure you don't have that steering wheel slip out of your hands. So again, Ultra Grip Tape, and it is now available on our store. So there you have it. There's are some of our product spotlights for this week, for January 26th, or the whole week of it anyway. And any of these that you're looking for, we have these available on our store at CrateInsider.com. And while you're watching, hit that like and subscribe, especially over on YouTube. It really helps us out in order to be able to reach more racers. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I look forward to seeing you in another video.